Alright, threading, excitement. So I've bored the part out to 14.4 millimeters, and I have like a completely random thread size that I made that's a 0.75 millimeter pitch. And what I want to show here is how you can do what I guess you would call semi-automated threading with the CNC machine. So I'm going to be using the G92 command, and the G92 command for Centroid Acorn is a single pass threading G code. And essentially you provide it the X coordinates, the Z stop coordinates, and then you provide an F parameter, which is not the feed but rather the thread pitch. And it should slave the thread size to the spindle encoder. So what I've done is I've set my point up here on the threading tool right here at the G55, which is the second work coordinate system, and that's just to make the manual G-code entry a little bit easier. So because I have that there, it's already set up and ready to go. I can turn the lathe on and issue the command. I'm going to issue I think I'm going to go 13 millimeters in, and the first pass will just be I think I'm just barely touching, so it'll just be a spring pass. So the command will be G92 X0 Z minus 13 F 0.75. So I'll just get the spindle a spinning. That's about, I think that's about 100 RPM. And then cycle start. Try to get the lighting in a little bit of a better spot. Alright, so now the next command is going to be X.1, because in the positive direction, so we need to feed into the positive direction. So X.1 Z minus 13 F 0.05 cycle start. Now my thread size, my arbitrarily decided thread size is about 1/2 millimeter. So I'm going to do a spring pass on that. And we'll see if it continues to cut. Alright, so I'm actually going to do, I kind of, it looks like my start is okay. I can always just part a little at the end. Okay, so now we're going to do 0.2. This is incrementally 1/10 of a millimeter. And that looks good. Alright, spring pass on that.